What's up? Got this whole crab right here. About to break it open. Make alfredo. Crab alfredo. Yeah. Coming right along. Here's half the crab legs on the crab. It's in there, piling up a little bit. And there we go. 1 cup of crab meat. Yeah. Got some Italian linguine. Coming right up. And we're melting some butter in a 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Got this because it's still hopefully dripping. So let that melt. Toss in a little bit of thyme. And some black pepper. And stir it in. And some Parmesan or Reggiano or whatever you got, really. Toss that in there too. Let it melt down, and that's when the magic happens, guys. And then toss your crab in there too, of course, or whatever you got, chicken or whatever. Whatever your little heart desires, you guys, it's completely up to you. And then toss your noodles in, like so. Get them all coated. Stir it around. Yeah, getting there. And there we have it. Crab alfredo. Nice. Let me try this. Yeah, turned out great, guys. I've never done alfredo from scratch before. This is the first time. But pick your meat, whatever you want. Do it up just like I did it in this video. You will be happy. And so will your tummy. Still got some crab left over too. Alright guys, thanks for coming back. I love you guys for your support. Please smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button as well. And please feel free to leave a comment. Alright, Chronic Eats out. Have a great one. Peace.